Kaya Lola's Playlist Beat the Champion muna tayo.
That's my babe. Kasama natin, mga babe.
O, ito latest. Sa Lola's Playlist nalabanan natin, yung champion, si Francis Aglab team, kailangan nilang mabit na parang itlog. Okay. Meron siyang 8 panalo na at halos kalahating milyong pieces na manalo na.
Kung sino man naman nanalo ngayon, mag-uwi ng 20,000 pesos at papasok sa weekly finals. Bukas yun. Bukas yung weekly finals.
Pasbo.
Abay, simulan na natin.
Sige.
Sige.
Ito na. Barangay. Bauna kayo.
Okay, ito na sa barangay. Ang aming contestant number 1 po, ang favorite singer niya ay ang Aegis.
Wow. Stone o Ice?
Opo. Siya ay grade 6 student sa Bulihan Elementary School.
At ang kanyang throwback hit ay 1977 song ng American singer, author, and actress na si Debbie Boone.
Dami, ayan, from Bulihan, Silang Cavite. Here's 10-year-old Clarice Huacinco sa You Light Up My Life.
Yun na.
So many nights I'd sit by my window waiting for someone to sing his song. So many dreams I kept deep inside me, alone in the dark. But now you've come along, and you light up my life. You give me hope to carry on. You light up my days and fill my nights with song. 'Cause you light up my life. You give me hope to carry on. You light up my days and fill my nights with song. It can't be wrong when it feels so right. 'Cause you light up my life.
Nanalo rin tayo.
Wala pa.
Thank you, Clarice.
Eto, may number 2 pa kasi dito sa Broadway naman.
Kami naman.
Lola's Playlist number 2. Top 2 siya sa school nila.
Ilan sila?
Tatlo lang. yung pangatlo nag-drop out. Mula sa Binyan, Laguna, here's 10-year-old Liana Castillo para sa 1976 hit ng The Carpenters na I Need to Be in Love.
The hardest thing I ever done is keep believing there's someone in this crazy world for me.
Thank you, Liana. Sana ipaglaki mo, magkaroon ka ng sarili mong supermarket.
Yes. Uy, Temo.
Pwede rin mag-show. Ang paborito ni Joey.
Yan ang second name ni Pia, di ba?
Oo.
Pia
Liana
Liana.
Guanyo.
Okay.
Mamaya, malalaman na natin kung sinong LP winner for today.
Okay.
Samantala, kami ibubunot.
Ayos na, ano? Sino nalo?
Nag-drop out nga.
Para